So good afternoon, guys. Late dinner, pizza tonight. This my sister cooked. I baked this today. Pizza tonight. Amke's sister's kitchen. So right here, Amke's late dinner tonight. So right here, let's take it on a plate and cut it into slices. So there it goes, full plate. Hey, Amke's sister's kitchen. Woo! So right here, let's cut it into slices. So right here, homemade pizza. This dough, my sister made it from scratch. Let me just show you this dough. Absolutely beautiful, and she put all of that. So basically the leftovers for tonight. I'm gonna select dinner tonight. So right here, let's cut the rest of it. So right here, there are 5 slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this could be a slice, but I'm gonna eat it like this. You see, beautiful. It's so yummy, and the dough and everything, freshly made from scratch. Amke's sister's kitchen. Woo! Pizza tonight. Late dinner tonight. Thank you guys for watching. Homemade pizza. See you later.